Good morning, friends and students. So today, what I am going to do is I am going to explain related to the one topic which will be used for all the competitive examinations, and that is nothing but relationship between various pressure units. So that is what I am going to explain today. Right. Now, maybe you know that uh, pressure is a one kind of a physical quantity which is having more than one unit actually. And maybe you know that suppose if we thought about volume, meter cube or centimeter cube, that type of only two or two in a different systems, those units will be there. But for pressure, definitely you can find many number of units, and it is somewhat difficult for us to remember what is the relationship between various pressure units. And today I am going to explain about a shortcut method or a shortcut story to remember all the units of this pressure, and you can even remember the relationship between them, and that can be used in your examination point of view. So maybe you understood. Today I am going to explain related to what? I am going to explain related to the relationship between various pressure units. So shortcut I am going to explain. Right. So in shortcut, what you have to do is you have to imagine yourself, and in what way you have to imagine yourself means if you think about yourself, then definitely that particular short story or this particular short trick, whatever I am going to explain, can be remembered by you very easily. So that's why I am explaining you, or I am saying you that you have to own this story to yourself, then you can remember easily. Right. So let me start saying about that particular story or shortcut. First, let you think that you gone to ATM. Where you gone? You gone to ATM. And after going to ATM, what you did is generally you stolen money from the ATM, which is actually no student can do. But think like that. It is not suggestible for any student to steal money from the ATM, but to remember about these units in a very easiest method or in a easiest way. That's why I'm explaining you. Right. So you gone to ATM and you stolen some money, and after stealing some money, what you did is you enjoyed in bar. You went to bar and you enjoyed in bar. And when you are enjoying in the bar, generally what happened is policemen came. And how many policemen came? Now generally police SI people came, and 14 police constables were there, and 7 SIs are there. 14 constables were there and 7 SI people are there. First 14 people are there in front of you, who are nothing but police constables, and behind you, backside of you, 7 SIs are there. So that much of intensity you are having. Okay, now 14 police constables and 7 SIs came to arrest you actually. And before that also you have to remember something that I will say in last. So here 14 constables and 7 SI people came and they arrested you. And after arresting, you know that general story is nothing but they will torture you. So let us thought that they tortured you. They tortured you in such a way that they tortured you by pouring water which is there at a 760 degrees Celsius. Don't write 760 degrees Celsius, but remember 760 degrees Celsius of water. That much of high temperature water they poured on you to torture you. So they are torturing you. And after torturing, now what happened is your father came, and your father came to actually what he did is he came to the police station, and after coming to the police station he want to release you. So to release you actually, so let us think you are a rascal to your father. So that's why instead of writing rascal, let us write Pascal here. So let us write Pascal instead of rascal. Actually, you are rascal. So why? Because you are stolen the money. So that's why instead of writing rascal there, write Pascal there. Okay. Now, what your father did is, along with your father, he brought one nearest neighbor along with him. So while they came to the police station, what they did is, first your father gave 101 rupees, but this was not enough for policemen. So then what your father neighbor did is, that means your uncle who are there, he gave 325 rupees to them. 325 rupees to them. So like this. And after giving that money, they released you. Okay, this is the story. Now you stolen money from the ATM and you enjoyed in a bar, and the police people came to arrest you and they tortured you, and after torturing they came to police station and they released you. So this is short story, and in this short story you can remember all the values, all the pressure units, very easy. Now see here. Now let us write here one atmospheric pressure, and this atmospheric pressure, whatever is there here, we wrote 101325. So that number again you keep here, but you keep 1.01325 here. 1.1, 1.01325 bar, and this is 14.7. And here torture is there. I told you 760 degrees Celsius of what water they poured on you. So 760 millimeter of mercury. Think like this. And after that Pascal 101325 is there. So let me write actually this 760 millimeter of mercury here. Right. Now this is a short story, and in this short story all the units of pressure are there, and the relation between them you can write like this now. Okay. Now first one atmospheric pressure. One ATM means not any time money. It is nothing but atmospheric pressure. And one atmospheric pressure is equal to 1.01325 bar. So in this way you can remember very easily. Now suppose if anyone asks you, what is the relation between bar and ATM? One bar is equal to how many ATM? Then you can convert very easily, 1 by 1.01325. So you can write that particular value very easily. So now this is about ATM and bar. Now actually here I wrote PSI. PSI actually stands for pound force per square inch. What PSI stands for? Pound force per square inch. This is the one unit of pressure actually. Now the relation between atmospheric and PSI, whatever units are there, that relation you can write like this. One atmospheric pressure is equal to 14.7 PSI. One ATM is equal to how much? 14.7 PSI. Now next one is one ATM is equal to next 760 torr. Actually torr is also one unit of a pressure. So one ATM is equal to 760 torr. If anyone asks you, one torr is equal to how many atmosphere, so you can convert. So you can convert to any value by using these whatever relations are there. So 760 torr, or you can write like this, 760 millimeter of mercury pressure. Now these are the three. And apart from this, one more is there, that is nothing but one ATM is equal to how many pascals? It will be equal to 101,325 pascal. Or else this can be written as 101,325 Newton per meter square. Already you know that pressure unit, general unit will be Newton per meter square, and 1 Newton per meter square is equal to 1 Pascal. So that's why 101,325 Pascal is equal to 101,325 Newton per meter square. That's it. So this is about the relation between various units of pressure: ATM, bar, PSI, tar, and Pascal. So you can have a relation between any unit in a easiest manner like this. Maybe I hope you understood the relation between pressure units, or else you can easily remember the units of pressure in this way. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Right.